Pantella flavescens, the globe skimmer, globe wanderer or wandering glider, is a wide-ranging dragonfly of the family Libellulidae. This species and Pantella hymenea, the spot-winged glider, are the only members of the genus Pantella. It was first described by Johann Christian Fabricius in 1798. It is considered to be the most widespread dragonfly on the planet, with good population on every continent except Antarctica, although rare in Europe. Globe skimmers make an annual, multi-generational journey of some 18,000 kilometers, about 11,200 miles, to complete the migration. Individual globe skimmers fly more than 6,000 kilometers, 3,730 miles. One of the farthest known migrations of all insect species, wood grasshopper Valanga nigricornis, is an insect that is a pest that destroys leaves on plants. Wood grasshoppers can attack young and old plants, including all palm, teak, cotton, coffee, cocoa, castor oil, sesame, cassava, hibiscus, kapok, jackfruit, rubber, corn, and banana seeds. The sentadu grasshopper, or praying mantis, is an insect that belongs to the order Mantidae. In English, this insect is usually called praying mantis because its attitude often looks like it is praying. The word mantis comes from the Greek mantes, which means prophet or fortune teller. There are many names in local languages, such as Konkarang Sundanese, Betawi language, Walang Kadang, Walang Kakak, Walang Ho Javanese, and Maintadak Malay language. Triatoma is a genus of assassin bugs in the subfamily Triatominae kissing bugs. Members of Triatoma, like all other members of Triatominae, are blood-sucking insects that can transmit serious diseases, such as Chagas disease. Their saliva can also trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals and can even cause severe anaphylactic shock. Caterpillars are the larval stage of members of the order Lepidoptera. Like most common names, the use of this term is actually inconsistent, because softfly larvae are also often referred to as caterpillars. Both Lepidopteran larvae and Symphytan larvae have an eruciform body shape. Rhacophoridae is a family of frogs in tropical sub-Saharan Africa, southern India and Sri Lanka, Japan, northeastern India to eastern China and Taiwan, south through the Philippines and Greater Sunda and Sulawesi. They are commonly known as bush frogs, or more ambiguously as moss frogs or bush frogs. Carpenter bees are species in the genus Xylocopa of the subfamily Xylocopinae. The genus includes some 500 bees in 31 subgenera. The common name carpenter bee derives from their nesting behavior. Nearly all species burrow into hard plant material such as dead wood or bamboo. The main exceptions are species in the subgenus Proxylocopa, which dig nesting tunnels in suitable soil. The common green bottlefly is a fly found in most areas of the world. The body is 10 to 14 millimeters long, slightly larger than a housefly, and has a brilliant metallic blue-green or gold coloration with black markings. The wood grasshopper Valanga nigricornis or also known as the Javanese bird. Grasshopper is a type of grasshopper that originates from Southeast Asia, starting from Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Cambodia, Brunei, the Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, and Papua New Guinea. Polypedales leucomastax is a species in the shrub frog family Rhacophoridae. It is known under numerous common names, including common tree frog, four-lined tree frog, golden tree frog, or striped tree frog. Many past authors have united it with the common Indian tree frog in P. maculatus or Rhacophorus maculatus, as was common in older times, but today they are generally considered distinct species. In its native range, it is also called white-lipped tree frog, but this name is otherwise applied to a species of true tree frogs, family Hylidae. Bees are a large group of insects known for living in groups, although not all bees are like that. All bees belong to the tribe or family Apoidae order Hymenoptera, membrane-winged insects, 1. In the world there are approximately 20,000 species of bees, and they can be found on every continent, except Antarctica. Townicoster butterfly whale, this beauty's scientific name is Acrea terpsichore. This butterfly flies very slowly. However, his body is one of the most storm-resistant, because even if it has been touched or preserved, this butterfly's color does not fade, and its body is not fragile like other butterflies. Apart from that, this butterfly has quite a large population in my area. The wasp that has a black body with a yellow or orange ring on its stomach is the Vespa affinis wasp. This wasp is also known as the Endus wasp by the Javanese people. The stinging grasshopper sucks plant fluids from the flower stalks paniculae, and also the fluid from rice fruit, which is still at the milk-ripe stage, causing the plant to lack nutrients and turn yellow chlorosis and slowly weaken. Calotes is a special name for various types of lizards, bankerung, which have the ability to change their skin color. In general, the term chameleon is used to refer to lizards from the Iguania tribe, including Iguanidae, Atamidae, and Chameleonidae. The term in English is chameleon or chameleon. Are a group of insects belonging to the Odonata nation. These two types of insects rarely venture far from water, where they lay their eggs and spend their young's pre-adult years.